If you have always wanted to own a digital watch with great brand legacy, vintage appeal, excellent backlight, simple form factor, metallic build, with a price that did not break your bank, then this video is just for you because in today's video I have a watch which ticks all the boxes. Hi everyone, welcome to Mic Drop. I am Siddharth and today we are talking about a true classic, the Casio A168WA. Whether you're a fan of retro tech or just someone looking for a reliable budget-friendly timepiece, this watch offers a lot. So let's look into everything you need to know about the A168WA. The Casio A168WA is an upgrade from the A158 with technically all the same features except for one game-changing feature, that is the EL backlight, a feature which we so desperately wished the A158 or A159 had. This upgrade still holds the same retro charm and durable build quality of previous generations, but the backlight takes it to another level. You can check my previous video on the A159 by clicking on the I button in the top right corner. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button. It will help me bring more product reviews to wonderful audience like you. Now before I move on to the main review, let me show you the box contents. The package is the regular Casio Vintage Series paper box. The box label mentions the India model number D131, MRP of Rs 2695 and the country of origin China. Once you slide the top cover and open the box, you will find the watch neatly nestled in. At first look, it definitely gives the 80s vintage vibe and has the familiar Casio rectangular display. Also inside the box, you will get a warranty card with a 2-year warranty, extendable by 6 months on registration. There is also a comprehensive user manual in different languages to help you start and operate the watch. Attached to the watch, a tag tells you about the model and the module number 3298. This is the A168WA 1WDF. The watch comes ready to use and all you need to do is remove the screen cover, fix the local time and you are good to go. From the wrist shot, you can see that it fits comfortably on my 6.5-inch wrist. I just love the multicolor display, makes it look right out of the 80s. A168 is part of Casio's vintage series with metallic finish and steel bracelets. It comes in a variety of options with different color bracelets and dial layouts. Prices starting from Rs 2695 going up to Rs 7995. There seems to be something to cater to a variety of taste and style. I have gone for the classic and popular silver color option with blue accents. To start off, the A168WA is a very good looking and stylish retro digital watch. The case is made of polished silver resin and the entire dial layout has a lot of multicolored text printed on it, like brand name, alarm chrono, electroluminescence, illuminator, light mode, start stop, and water resist. You get the use of stainless steel for bracelets, push buttons, and back cover. Unlike the chrome polished resin case, the President style stainless steel bracelets with 3 links come with a brushed finish and you can see the notable difference between the case and the bracelet. You don't need to remove any links to fit the wrist. The class style bracelets are adjustable to suit variety of wrist sizes. All you need to do is pry open the clip on the clasp and move it about the bracelet to suit the length to fit your wrist. Clamp the clip where you feel the length is a good fit. The bracelets themselves are extremely comfortable, making the watch easy to wear all day. The watch is operated by 3 metal pushers, 2 on the left and 1 on the right. The upper left button, labeled light, can be used to turn on the electroluminescence light, cancel the alarm, reset the stopwatch, and also to mark the lap time. The lower left button, labeled mode, can be used to cycle through the modes of the watch like time display, alarm, stopwatch, and time and date adjustment. The right button, labeled start stop, is the function button. It can be used to start and stop the stopwatch, change the value of the settings currently being adjusted, or toggle between 12 and 24-hour modes. The back panel is secured by 4 small screws and has some basic details engraved on it like model number, module number, country of origin, and most importantly, the exclusive serial number of the watch. The watch dimensions are lug to lug 38.6 mm, case width of 36.3 mm, thickness at 9.6 mm, and a lug width of 18 mm. The dimensions are perfect for people
who love small watches or have narrow wrist. It seems that the addition of the illuminator backlight has resulted in the watch getting thicker. But that's what it is. You gain some, you lose some. It is still a very compact watch, and weighing in at just 49 grams, you will not feel its weight on the wrist even if you wear it for the entire day. The watch is 30-meter water resist, which means it is suitable for everyday use, good to the level of washing dishes or drenching in a rain shower. Since it is only splash resistance, it is not suitable for swimming. The positive LCD display is also bright and clear, easily readable from different angles, even in direct sunlight. The acrylic glass is shatter resistant, but it is not scratch proof, so it will pick up marks over time. You can use screen guard if you are a rough user. The watch display shows the day and date, hour, minute, running seconds, and the signs PM in the afternoon or 24H if it is set to a 24-hour clock. When the alarm mode has been activated, you will see the alarm signal status, which are a bar of vertical lines, and the hourly signal status, which is shown as a bell. In stopwatch mode, minutes, seconds, and the hundredth of a second are shown. Moving on to the main reason why people usually prefer this watch. It's the illuminator. This feature is the real hero here. The watch uses a blue electroluminescence light located at the left and the right of the display. Its illumination lights up the entire display evenly, and even in absolute darkness you will be able to clearly see the time. However, the light works only till the time you hold the light button. The A168WA uses the Casio 3298 quartz movement, and powering this module is a single CR2016 lithium button cell which typically lasts for 7 years, boasting of an accuracy of plus minus 30 seconds per month. The watch has a chronograph featuring precision of 1 by 100 seconds. Other features also include an hourly time signal, a single daily alarm lasting approximately 10 seconds. The watch has an annual calendar function, and it does not make allowances for leap years as there is no provision to record the year. Due to this, the month of Feb is always counted as 28 days. Now let's have a quick look at all the modes. The watch has 4 modes. First is the timekeeping, which displays the hour, minutes, running seconds, day and date, and 12 or 24 hours. Second is the alarm. To activate, press the C button. For alarm, signal, both on and both off. Third is the stopwatch. To use, press the C button to start and stop, A button to reset and record the lap time. And lastly, the time setting mode to set time and date. Press A button to select the parameter and C button to set the value.
So to conclude about the A168WA, it's an extremely comfortable watch. The classic design and looks are really beautiful, and the highlight feature of the EL backlight makes it a complete watch. Although it is slightly thicker than its predecessor, the A158, it is not bulky and will fit all wrist sizes very comfortably. For comparison, this is how it sizes next to the A1200. The only gripe at this price point that I have with Casio is maybe they could have made the case of stainless steel rather than resin. All said, the A168WA is ideal for people who love the retro design digital watches with basic features, but at the same time they are very particular about a good backlight. And if there was only one watch you could own, then this is the watch to go for. You can wear it as a daily beater or as a dress watch on special occasions. It is a classic today and it will remain a classic tomorrow. If you don't own one, perhaps now is the right time to get one into your collection. For interested buyers, I will leave the buy link in the description below. Do check it out. With that, I have come to the end of today's review. Thank you for watching. If you found it comprehensive and useful, do let me know by clicking on the like button. And if you like watching product reviews, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about future video uploads. Before you leave, do not forget to comment and let me know what you thought about the A168WA and which was your first watch. I'm Siddharth and I'll see you next time with another interesting product review. Take care. Peace.